Good day all, welcome to Bridge LCS. In this video, let's see the creation and features available in the Final Invoice. Select the required job whose Final Invoice is to be created. Click on the new invoice. Choose the cost sheet from the drop-down available. You need to select the posting date, due date or validity and fill the consignee name. Validate the details that are fetched here and add notes if required. If the data given here are good to go, you can save to proceed or you can use the clear to refill the data. The final invoice needs to be approved by the concerned person. The unapproved row will be indicated in red color and the approved one is in green color. You can find the status of payment along with each and every row number. If this symbol is in red color, it indicates that the invoice is unpaid, and if it is in green color, then it indicates the payment is done. You can identify the status of payment here as well. Right click on the row. You can see options like print bilingual invoice, customize and print, download, email, generate QR code, view, edit and delete. If you want to customize the row to be included in the invoice, you can use the customize and print option. The customize and print option given here is one of the most useful features. You can add and delete the fields to be present in the invoice as per your requirement. If you want to perform similar operations for multiple invoices, you can use the options given here. You can approve the invoices in bulk using this bulk approve option. Select the list of invoices and perform any of these operations in bulk. Using this, you can book income in bulk, you can dispatch invoices, you can send the customers an email, you can download invoices. Click on the drop down and select the option as per your requirement. If you double click on the row number, you will get provision to create notes, and if you double click anywhere in the row, you will get the view of actual invoice. This is all about this video. I hope you would have found this useful. Thank you for watching.